Hi guys, welcome to my workshop. Today I'm going to show you guys how to layer your beautiful hair. Super easy, super fun, and it's awesome, works really well. Before, after. To start off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to straighten my hair and get it completely straight. So I didn't brush my hair after I got out of the shower. There it is. Now, I'm just straightening it, or flat ironing it, whatever you guys call it. Looks pretty straight to me. This is taking freaking forever for me to actually straighten my hair. So I'm just gonna go straight to it and straighten. Ready, set. Now this part is a little different. You wouldn't expect this, but this layers your hair perfectly and it looks really good. Hair tie. There we go. Oops. Make sure I get it all up. See, it's pretty scraggly at the bottom. I'm gonna be fixing that. Grabbing my hair. I'm rubber banding it in the front. There we go. This is what it looks like in the back. At least that's what it should look like. Now that that is up in our ponytail, I'm gonna straighten it out. And I am taking some hair scissors and I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna make it even, like so. And I'm gonna do an even cut. Oh, oops. I'm gonna do an even cut across, and I'm gonna go for about 2 inches to get rid of all the scragglies. And it's gonna be a straight cut. Look, just that little left. Just that much left. And it's pretty straight actually. I'm surprised. I need new scissors. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Smooth. Really nice. Straighten out some parts. Alright. There we go. Now I'm going to take it out and it should be perfectly layered. So let's take out my hair. Alright, that's what it looks like when you're all done. Ta-da! Super easy, and this I do this once a month, and what it does is it makes my curls, when I curl it, look really, really like styled, like I got it professionally done, and I love it. And it's super easy to do. So yeah, guys, that is how you layer your hair. So look at this. There's perfect layers. And they all fall really nicely. Everything looks really well where it's supposed to be. It's awesome. Also, this may differ if you have curly hair, like extremely curly hair. Normally people with extremely curly hair can't do it as much, like my mom. She has extremely curly hair and she just has to do hers a little bit differently. Should probably ask her how she does it, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. This is super easy to do and fun. And if you are trying to learn how to cut hair, this is a great step to being able to do it for yourself. Thank you guys so much. Please stay tuned every Saturday for a new video. And I love you guys so much. See you later. Bye.